Hi, so today I want to talk about the importance of having a somewhat regular routine during your PhD. It's going to help you manage your time in a sense that you know what to expect, and it's going to eliminate a lot of the small decisions that you have to take, and you can just execute whatever you need to do during that particular time segment. So in my case, I was a student parent, which means that I was the main carer for my child at the same time as I was doing the PhD. So I was working and doing the PhD full time and also taking care of my child. So how did I do it? Early in the morning, my child and I would wake up, eat breakfast, I'll be packing my lunch, and of course we'll be dressing up. Then we'll go out at about 8:30 to go to his school. If I'm a bit earlier than 8:30, like let's say 7 a.m., then I'll be bringing him to the breakfast club. I bring him to school, I'll be on my bike to my university to teach. So I'll be teaching from 10 a.m. to 12 noon, after which I'm going to work on my thesis for around 2 hours in the library. So my time in the library is very limited, so I had to make use of it in the best way that I could. So around 2:30, I'll have to go back to my son's school and pick him up. Then we'll go to the park, he'll have a little bit of a play with his classmates and friends. Then I'll be talking with the parents at the park. Then I'll bring my child back home. So we'll go home, I'll be cooking dinner, and then we'll be eating together. Then I'll tuck him to bed, after which I will be having my own relaxation time. So it's usually yoga, drinking some tea, reading a good book. Is it important to relax after that very busy day? Because the next day you'll have to be going again. Your body needs to feel that it has relaxed, that you were able to get some time for yourself during the day. And it's also important to have this routine because your child would know what to expect during the day, and the two of you won't have a lot of surprises. So they'd know when you'll be coming. As you know the schedule, if you're going to deviate from it, then you'll know when you have to call people up and ask for their support. Let's say you'll be a bit late, then you can call up school or leave your child at the after-school club or a friend, a trusted friend. It's very helpful to have this routine. That will make your journey a bit easier. How can you do that? How can you have your own schedule? In the description below, I link a worksheet that you can use. You can opt to use it, you can opt not to use it, but it's important for you to just observe the first 2 weeks when you're trying to establish a schedule. Know which parts of your schedule you can identify as regular. So put in all of the activities that you do Monday to Friday or even Monday to Sunday, and find those things that you can use to anchor your schedule on and your child's schedule on. So also include there the time and the days when your child has to go to school. And so that will give you a framework, that will give you structure in your week. And let's say an activity happens Monday, Wednesday, Friday, put it down there. So calibrate that for around 2 weeks until you come up with a schedule that is fairly regular that you can follow. I hope that helps, and I'll see you again tomorrow as you continue your PhD journey.